Sant Garib Das Ji was the fourth Gaddi Nashin of Dera Sant Sarwan Das Ji, Sachkhand Balla, district Jalandhar. He inherited a rich legacy of spirituality as well as social service to the community from his predecessor saints of the Dera, that is Sri 108 Baba People Das Ji, leading light of the Dera Sri 108 Sant Sarwan Das Ji and Sri 108 Sant Haridas Ji. He faithfully carried forward this legacy. Sant Garib Das Ji was born in the year 1925 in a village called Jalbhe, district Jalandhar, to Father Nanak Chand Ji and Mother Harkaur Ji. When he was only 6 months old, his father expired. After this tragic incident, his mother took care of the little child. He was the youngest of 5 brothers. When he was still a young boy, he started assisting his family members in their job of silk weaving, which they were doing in Basti Jodhewal, Ludhiana. He did this job for some years. In the meantime, he heard from the village elders about Sant Sarwan Das Ji of Dera Sachkhand Balla. He started visiting the Dera during this period. The teachings and ideology of Sant Sarwan Das Ji impressed him greatly. So he started coming to the Dera more often and also started staying in the Dera for longer periods. Within a short period, he won the heart of Sant Sarwan Das Ji. One day when he was still at Ludhiana, he was summoned to the Dera by Sant Sarwan Das Ji for some urgent work. Without wasting any time, he reached the Dera. There he was instructed to remain in the Dera from then on. He humbly followed the instructions of Sant Sarwan Das Ji. He very obediently prostrated at the feet of Sant Sarwan Das Ji and vowed to devote his whole life to the service of the Almighty God and His people. Apart from delving into the Bani of Guru Ravidas Ji, he learnt to prepare Ayurvedic medicines and treated many patients with various ailments. The young boy had now grown in wisdom and stature under the patronage of Sant Sarwan Das Ji and in the company of Sant Haridas Ji. Swami Sarwan Das Ji used to entrust him with many jobs of responsibility.
Baba Deedas Maharaj Ji Banaras mein ja rahe.
One such responsibility entrusted to him by Sant Sarwan Das Ji was the construction of a mandir at the birthplace of Guru Ravidas Ji at Sir Govardhanpur, Varanasi. Earlier, Sant Haridas Ji had laid down the foundation stone of this temple on 14th June 1965. Sant Garib Das Ji used to lead a team of Dera Sevadars to Varanasi for the construction work. But the weather and other working conditions there were very difficult and challenging. The place was undeveloped, without an approach passage, and it was a Herculean task to manually carry construction material to the site from a considerable distance. But the Sevadars' devotion, dedication and their aspirations surmounted the adverse conditions. The first phase of the temple was completed in 1972. Many saints from Punjab accompanied Sant Garib Das Ji to Banaras for the inauguration ceremony in 1974. A murti of Guru Ravidas Ji was installed in the mandir on this occasion. Simultaneously, a murti of Sant Sarvandas Ji was also installed in the mandir as a token of recognition of his contribution in giving our community an elegant mandir at the birthplace of our Guru. After Sant Sarvandas Ji left for his heavenly abode on 11th June 1972, Sant Haridas Ji became the Gaddi Nashin of the Dera. Sant Garib Das Ji continued to serve Sant Haridas Ji in the same fervor with full devotion. Sant Haridas Ji left for his heavenly abode on 6th February 1982.